I'm going to go and find the car and get the shovel out of it. Sorry for the wind, but this is the main road around my house in the estate, and that's the hill that I couldn't get up last night, and as you can see it's still impassable. This was the only place I could get the car parked, and as you can see there's absolutely no danger in getting it out.